Okay, so we're back over here on the other side of the G-Tech booth here at NAB 2011. Mark is going to go ahead and show us some of the other product line, which is absolutely essential for wedding and event videographers. I use this myself. Mark?
All right. Well, the first thing we have that's actually very exciting is a brand new product. This will be shipping in June. It's called our G-Drive Duro. It's a ruggedized version of our G-Drive Mobile. So you can see it's got Firewire 800 and USB attachments. It's bus powered. It's a 5,400 RPM drive, but it's been ruggedized so that it can withstand a 1.2 meter drop without having any damage.
And that's, I mean, let's face it, you're moving things in the field all the time.
So it's perfect for dumping your footage onto it and for transporting it around. Basically as a storage device for also for time machine backups if you want rugged time machine backups. But an ideal use for wedding and event videographers is to keep it, use it to dump your footage, have a safe, reliable, and rugged place to keep it in case you know what happens in the field. Stuff happens.
Exactly. And for those travel edits where you have to just dump something, you're on the floor, you're going to be going back to your suite to go ahead and edit. I'm here at the trade show, I need to dump the P2 cards. You dump them on this little baby, you're good to go, and you can move on after that. So, next up here, my new favorite.
This is our beautiful little, some people have even called it sexy, our G-Drive Slim. So you notice this is 7mm, it uses a 7mm thick Hitachi Z-Series hard drive. It's a brand new form factor of hard drive. It's a standard 2.5-inch drive, but it's very light and very small. It's about 9 ounces.
It is sexy. It is very, very sexy. I could not believe this drive. Now it's just one very small USB connection here, but that's all you need. That's all you need for this. Because again, you're not editing off of this. You're using this for storage, and then you transport the footage someplace else. I think that's what's important here. And this is going to be available?
This is already available. It's been shipping since December. It's available in a 320 for $89 and a 500 gig size, which is brand new, for $119.
Amazing, amazing. Okay, what else do we have?
All right. Well, this is actually one of my favorite products that we make. This is the G-Raid Mini. Now, this has 2 drives inside. It comes out of the box in RAID 0, which is that high-performance striping. So it's a perfect drive for field editing. And if you need to get your editing done somewhere and it's not at your edit bay, this is your drive. It's Firewire, USB, and eSATA, and you can use the Firewire 800 for bus power and the eSATA for data transfer at the same time, so you can benefit from the higher performance of eSATA.
Very nice. And we've got cooling. We have a cooling system here as well.
We do. Not only does it have a fan built in, but it also, notice it has the heat sink as well. We know a cool drive is a happy drive. A cool drive will give you more reliable performance for a longer period of time and ensure the high performance and quality that you expect.
And it still has that very sexy G-Tech look.
Of course. And that's not all of it. The really cool thing is this is really 2 drives in one, and not literally because there are 2 drives in here, but because you can also switch it to RAID 1, so mirroring. So if you need a drive to dump your footage onto that's protected, again, you always want to be redundant with your storage. You switch this to RAID 1, you can have currently up to 500 gigs of that mirrored storage because it has a 1 terabyte total capacity. Soon we'll be shipping a 1.5 terabyte version that'll give you 750 gigs of redundant storage when you put it in that RAID 1 mirrored mode.
Which is absolutely amazing when you consider the size and the price.
The 1 terabyte is $299, the 500 gig is $199, and the 1.5 we don't have a price point yet, but it'll be in line with that.
I mean, it's like walking around money. It's like pocket change when you consider what you're getting for it.
Absolutely, and when your livelihood depends on your storage, you want to make sure and get a quality product, and this is a quality product at a very reasonable price.
Let's face it, there are no second takes when it comes to wedding and event videography. So you've got to make sure that your media is protected, and this is the way to do it. G-Technology here at NAB 2011. Sue Lawson for WEVA News with Mark Anderson, G-Tech. What can I say? Look it up, check it out on the web. You will find things that you absolutely love. Thanks.